Welcome back, standard 10. We are in arithmetic progression. This lecture number I don't remember. So exercise 3.2. We will try to cover question 8, question 9 and question 10 in this video. Let us see whether we can complete this. Question 8. Which term of AP 11, 8, 5, 2 is minus 151? Which term is that? So we have to find the term number. This is term number 1, term number 2, term number 3, term number 4 and so on. What is, when it will be coming minus 151, what is that number, term number? So here this is the solution. A equal to 11, D equal to 8 minus 11 equal to minus 3. We know that Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is our formula. Therefore, this Tn is, what is that Tn? That also I will write. Tn is equal to minus 151. So here at the place of Tn, I will write minus 151 is equal to A. A is 11 plus n minus 1 into D is minus 3. Therefore, minus 151, this will become minus 11 is equal to minus 3 into n is minus 3n, minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. Therefore, this is 2, 6, 1 and minus 162, both the numbers are negative, hence that minus 3, that is equal to minus 3n. Therefore, this is minus 165 is equal to minus 3n. Changing the signs, we get 3n equal to 165. Therefore, n is equal to 165 upon 3 and therefore n is equal to 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15. So, the 55th term is minus 151. So, answer, how to write answer is 55th term of the AP is minus 151. So this is our answer what we needed. Now we'll go for the question number 9. Now your fundamentals have improved, that's why I am just speeding it up. How many natural numbers from here I will write the question. Question 9. How many natnos means natural numbers, from 10 to 250, from 10 to 250 are divisible by 4. While teaching the theory lecture, I have taught you another thing also. This same question may be like this. How many natural numbers from 10 to 250 are divisible by 2 and 3? If suppose such question comes, by both of them it should be divisible, then we will take the LCM of these 2 and 3. 2 1 are 2, 3 as it is, 3 1 are, and the LCM is 6. So, if I want to find the numbers divisible by 2 and 3, that is nothing but I have to find the numbers divisible by 6. If suppose it is asked like this, divisible by 6 and 4. divisible by 4 and 6 I have to find, suppose. So what I will do, I will take the LCM 4 and 6. 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6. 2 1 the 3 as it is. 3 1 the 1 the 3 to the 6 to the 12. This is nothing but I have to find the number divisible by 12. So the scholars might have understood it immediately. So all of you just find it divisible by 4. The question is by 4. Question here written is by 4. So solution, the numbers divisible by the required numbers, I will say the required numbers are, what are those numbers? Beyond 10 I want, so 10 is not divisible, so next is 12, then 16, then 20, and so on I will go. Whether this 250 is divisible or not, that I have to find it out. It is not divisible, it is not in the table of 4. Why? Because the last two numbers are 50. These last two numbers are not divisible. That's why this 250 is also not divisible. That is the divisibility test of this 4. And this will be 248. This way, it is an AP. Here I will write it is an AP. An AP with A equal to 12, D equal to 4 and Tn equal to 248. So use the formula. We know that Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore Tn is 248. That is equal to A is 12 plus n minus 1 into D is 4 into 4. Therefore this 12 will become here minus 248 minus 12 is equal to 4 into n minus 1, that will remain. So this is 6, 3, 236. Now this 4 is divisible, divided into here, it will become divided here. 4 is into, it will become upon. So that is equal to n minus 1. Therefore 4 6 are 24, 4 5 are 20, 4 5 are 20 remains 3. Take this 6, 4 9 are 36 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore this will become here plus, so n is equal to 59 plus 1. Therefore n is equal to 60. So answer, there are 60 numbers. How many natural numbers? So 60 nat nodes. I am writing the answer in a short. You write in the full statement. Hope that you have understood this. Now I will go for question number 10, and that is the last question in this video. Question 10. The 17th term of an AP is, the 17th term of an AP is 7 more than 10th term. Find common difference. Find common difference. CD. CD means common difference. So solution, let first term equal to A and common difference equal to D. we know that Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore, the 17 term, so T17 is equal to A plus 17 minus 1, T17, n is 17 into D. Therefore, T17 is equal to A plus 16D. This is number 1. Similarly, what is similarly? T10 equal to A plus 9D. This is number 2. All this material I have used here. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 into D, 9D. So, from given condition, what is that condition? Who is more? 17 term is more than whom? The 10 term. Means the difference between them is 7. So, from the given condition, T17 minus T10 is equal to 7. 17 term is more than 10 term by 7. That means the difference between the 17 term and the 10 term is 7. If I am elder than you by 10 years or 20 years or 30 years, say suppose I am elder than you by 30 years. What does it mean? My age minus your age is equal to 30. That is nothing but who is more, that minus the smaller. That is nothing but the difference. Therefore, T17 is what? T17 is A plus 16D. Minus T10 is what? A plus 9D. Is equal to 7. From where you have taken? From 1 and 2. Therefore, open the bracket. A plus 16D minus A minus 9D is equal to 7. This A cut. Therefore, 16 minus 9, 7D is equal to 7. Therefore, D is equal to 7 upon 7. This is into, it will become upon there. Therefore, D is equal to 1. The difference is 1. So, what is the difference? Difference in the AP is 1. That means first number is 10, then 11, then 12, then 13 and so on. They have not asked you the first term. But if suppose it is asked, you can use any one of the relation 9, T10, but for that no sufficient condition is given. So only the D we have got. Hope that you have understood this video. Let us meet in the next video soon.